Hi folks, welcome back to Fab Find Friday. I'm Lynn with PFM Arts, and do I have something to show you today? I am so excited. So my mom and I went to Michael's and we found these boxes for $5 each. They were basically a grab box. So what I'll do is I'll record these in 3 separate segments and release them on every Friday, starting obviously this Friday. So stand by. We'll figure out what's in the box, and I'll even give you a total at the end to figure out if it was actually worth $5. All right, so this is the first time that I've done a mystery box, and I'm really excited. I've done some mystery paper packs. I have my camera up on a 45, so I don't know exactly how this is going to work out, but in my mind, I can just kind of untape this a little bit here. And then hopefully everything doesn't fall out, but it might. Okay, box. Be good. Be good, box. Let's see if I can just prop that open with something. Okay, there's something. And I'll prop that open with something. There's another something. And here we go. All right, so here's the contents of this box. Okay, so I have a couple of floral pieces. So this was originally $3.99. And this one was originally also $3.99 and $1.99. So I guess that's the cost of the box right there with just these 3 little pieces. So, I mean, that's cool. I don't really use these much, so I'll probably just donate them to the thrift store that I always go to. And here's an interesting thing that was originally $5.99. It's I don't know what this is. I guess it's a triangle. I think this is metal. It feels like it's metal. And I guess you're just supposed to hang it up or maybe include it on a wreath. Like inside of a wreath, that would be really pretty with that. Actually, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. It's a little bit better. Let's not mind all the disaster that's going on around me. All right. Now I have Sweet Tooth Fairy s'mores in a microwavable pouch. That's kind of neat. So yeah, you just put it in the microwave and then you take the bag and then squeeze it all around and put it back in the microwave for a little bit more and then cut the tip off, and then you have some control of where you're putting the stuff. That's cool. I'm not sure. I'm assuming that it's not expired, but I don't know. I mean, that would be nice to make some little, hopefully, Christmas treats with. Okay, and I have 2 of them, so that's cool. All right, not disappointed so far. I have no idea how much those were. All right, I have a tiny bathtub. I guess it's for one of those, yeah, like one of those doll houses. I'm probably going to end up donating this too. I think that would be fine. Here's something. Oh, the Creatology. Okay, so this is a kit for kids. It's originally $4.99. And what is this? Oh, it's a shrink art kit. So then you paint it and then you throw it in the oven, I think. Or does it show microwave? Yeah, you need to have an oven for this one. That's awesome. You know, I will, we do a lot of stuff for Toys for Tots. So I think I will, since this is what, September now, I will just put this in the pile to donate to Toys for Tots. That'd be cool. All right. What is this all bubble wrapped up? Let's see. Is it a candle? It is a candle. Look at that. It's got a nice wooden top on it. Fits on really securely. Originally $14.99. It is in amber wood scent. What does that mean? I don't know. It smells really good though. It does have more of a perfumey smell than a natural smell, but isn't that candle just really, really pretty? I mean, you can see where it's picking up, where it's had a little bit of, looks like damage to it, but I mean, it's still really pretty and it smells good. So there's that. What do we have here? some patriotic rings. I love these gummy rings. These are not getting donated. These are actually going to be eaten by me if I can keep them away from my daughter. I love these things. Very excited about that. Okay, snack for later. All right, this is Pom Pom Pictures for Transportation. Creativity for Kids, once again. And it's a 3+ activity. I guess they just take the little pom-poms and then they put them on this mat thing. So I guess it's reusable. That's kind of cool. Okay, so another Toys for Tots donation. Not mad about that. That's cool. All right, what is this? Does that have a price on it? Not that I can see. Okay. So this is a butterfly wind chime. Okay, so you paint it and then you put it together. And it's ages 6 to 96. Folks who are 97, I guess you're just out of luck with this craft. That's sad. Okay, that's cool. I don't know how much this one was either, but another Toys for Tots donation. That's awesome. Ooh, what is this? Let's find out what this thing is. This is a ceramic thing that's been coated in something. It says, do not use with a candle greater than 4 inches in diameter or a taper. Okay, so this is just a candle holder. Oh, it probably says right here. Candle collection. It's a pillar holder. This was originally $24.99. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. It's got the warning labels. I just opened it up to see what it was inside. It was just the warning labels. $24.99. I don't think that I'm going to use this, but I will donate it to the thrift store. Oh, this looks like it might be another one. Maybe a shorter one. Let's see. Yep, looks like it. Okay, so this is also a candle collection pillar holder. This one was originally $20. Wow, so I've definitely made my money back more over now. Okay, that's a cute little set. Let me move my camera down so you can see them side by side. Or I could just move them up like this. And I'll move my camera down like this. That's cool. One short, one tall. Yeah, that's cool. All right. I say I've made my money back, but I haven't really found anything usable for me per se. But that's okay. That's absolutely okay. Every family has a story. Welcome to ours. So this is a metal sign, and it's probably about 9 inches wide, I would say. Maybe 1.5 inches in width. This was originally $16.99. I mean, that's cool looking. Not really. I mean, I'm not going to put it in my house. I'm probably just going to donate this as well to the thrift store. They should be able to get a couple of dollars out of that, and that would be good. This is a 3-pack of anti-pilling, right? Anti-pilling, there we go. Yarn. And there's 3 of them in here. There's 153 yards in each one of these skeins. And that would be good. I bet my mom could do something with this. This is really pretty. Nice neutral kind of gray heather colors. That's really nice. Okay, what else do we have there? We have some Creatology felt sheets, and this is the spring version. This was originally $4.99. You get five sheets of each pattern. There's 2 patterns. So there's this pattern and then there's this pattern. That's cool. That would make a nice like spring, like maybe a trivet or something like that. I think that would be really cute. So okay, so I'll keep this for a project for next year. Oh, and then we have this wall art. It is birds. It's really pretty. It's pretty deep too. It's probably about 1.5 inches deep. It doesn't have a glass in it. It's just the what is that? That is wood that is mounted on the wooden box inside. Wow, originally it was $20. Wow. Okay, so in this box there was quite a few spring things in here. All right, that's balanced precariously. What is this? This is a Celebrate It Jumbo Balloon Kit. I don't know what's happening here. I guess you get the balloon and then the little tassel thing that's on here. Yeah, it looks like it. And then there's some kind of tape or ribbon. Yeah, I don't know how this works. Oh, contents. There we go. Contents. So it's a balloon, and then it has the tassels. 2 sheets make 1 tassel. And then the balloon, oh, this is the balloon rope. Okay, so that's what okay, so you inflate it with helium, and then you put the tassels on it, and then it's staying by a rope, and I guess you attach it to one of those weighted things on the floor. I mean, that would be really cute for like a birthday party or a girl's baby shower. And that would actually be really cute. I'm probably not going to use this either, so I'm just going to donate it. That's cool. What is this? All right, the tag's off in it, but it says reversible something. Okay, so it's just a reversible bag. Okay, that's how it works. And on one side, you have this black and white pattern, and on the inside, you have this animal print. That's actually kind of cool. So our Toys for Tots in our area includes children, I think, up to 17 years of age. So this might be a nice thing to include for an older girl, maybe a teenage girl. That's cute. Okay, so this will be a donation. That's cool. All right, let's see what this is. This is Craft Basics Creatology foam shapes, and these are frogs. How many is in here? 15. 15 of the frogs, originally $4.99. And I don't know what I would do with these. I'm going to ask my mom and see if she's going to use them for anything. If not, I'm going to donate this too. All right, looks like we got a few more kits in here. Sorry for bumping the camera. So this is a rock painting kit, Creativity for Kids again. That's actually a really cute idea, and it honestly feels like there's rocks in here too. Oh, there are rocks in here. It says so. So you get the rocks, you get the ceramic paint, and you get glue and wiggly eyes, feathers, and paintbrush, some craft fur, and some instructions and ideas. That's cute. I don't know what this is right here. This is, oh, that's a clearance sticker. All right. That's cute. All right, so another donation for Toys for Tots. That's awesome. What is this? Corner Creature Bookmarks, Creativity for Kids. Ages 7 to 97. Great news, you 97-year-olds, you can still do this craft. 98, still sorry. But these are cute. So it's basically like you're doing origami, and you make a little bookmark, and it's animal bookmarks. That's actually really, really cute. So you get glue stick and then a sticker sheet and then the origami paper. Oh, look, it is actually origami paper. And some accessory sheets, which I would assume, oh yeah, it's probably these right here. And paper squares and some instructions. That's cute. Okay, Toys for Tots donation. Awesome. All right, what else do we have in here? I have eggs. I don't know. I guess you could glue them on like a springtime wreath. They kind of remind me of robin's eggs, although I realize that they're not blue. It's neat though. Probably end up gonna donate this. I don't really make wreaths anymore. And we have 2 more things. Let's do this one first. Okay, neon watercolor set. That's cool. You got 10 colors. This will be for Toys for Tots. That'll be awesome. And a basket. This is actually a really nice basket. It's probably about, I don't know, 6-7 inches high. It's actually a really nice basket. How much was this originally? $14.99. Oh my goodness. It is really cute though, and it's in perfect condition. I don't see anything wrong with this. So I do not need to have any more baskets. I think if I ended up with another basket, my husband would kill me. So I'll probably just donate this one as well. That's really cool. Okay, so in this, I'll pop up the total dollar amount at the end. But in this, I didn't find anything specifically for me. I found a lot of things for Toys for Tots. Here's my Toys for Tots pile right here. I found a lot of things that I will be donating to the thrift store. And I found 2 things that I'm going to ask my mom if she's interested in, if she can use. Oh, wait a minute. I did find something for myself. I forgot. I just now saw it. It's this candy. Oh boy. All right, guys. Stay tuned next week and I'll do the second of the 3 boxes. This was actually really cool, and I definitely think that the $5 was worth it. Even though really I didn't get anything out of it for myself. Oh, wait a minute. I said I didn't get anything out of it for myself. I got candy and more candy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally okay with that. And I did find some things for Toys for Tots, so I'm not mad about this. So as it stands right now, we'll see what happens with the other 2 boxes. But as it stands right now, would definitely recommend the $5 boxes from Michael's. Definitely well worth it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.